Lower your cholesterol levels without medication. Ever wondered if lowering your cholesterol could be as simple as tweaking a few daily habits? Well, it can be. Get ready to discover some surprisingly easy and natural ways to keep your cholesterol in check. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now, let's dive back into the video. Let's clear up a common misconception. When someone says, you need to lower your cholesterol, the first thing that comes to mind might be something drastic like, I need to stop eating all my favorite foods. But guess what? That's not true at all. Lowering cholesterol doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything you love. It's more about making smarter choices that can have a big, long-term impact on your health. So, why is high cholesterol such a big deal? For starters, it's not just about weight gain, even though that's a factor. High cholesterol can lead to serious health risks, including heart disease, obesity, and even gallbladder stones. Let's examine each of these to see why managing cholesterol is crucial. Why high cholesterol is bad for you. 1. Obesity. Cholesterol and weight gain often go hand in hand. When your cholesterol levels are high, you're more likely to gain weight, which then increases your risk of heart disease. It's a vicious cycle, and one that's important to break. 2. Cardiovascular disease. Your heart is the engine of your body, so when it's not functioning properly, nothing else will either. High cholesterol can lead to a condition called atherosclerosis, where plaque builds up in your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow to your heart. This can eventually cause heart attacks or strokes, which is why keeping your cholesterol in check is literally a matter of life and death. 3. Gallstones. This might come as a surprise, but high cholesterol can also lead to gallbladder stones. When there's too much cholesterol in your bloodstream, it can solidify and form stones in your gallbladder. These can be incredibly painful and may require surgery to remove. Now that you understand why high cholesterol can be dangerous, let's review why natural methods are best. While cholesterol-lowering medication can help lower cholesterol, it's not always the best first step. Natural methods are safer, have fewer side effects, and can lead to long-term, sustainable changes in your health. Plus, when you lower your cholesterol naturally, you're not just treating a symptom. You're addressing the root cause and improving your overall well-being. All right, let's dive into the lifestyle changes that can help you lower cholesterol naturally without medication. 1. Get moving. One of the best ways to lower your cholesterol is to get more physical activity. It doesn't have to be anything intense. Just taking a brisk walk after meals can make a big difference. Regular exercise boosts your HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowers the LDL, the bad cholesterol. This helps keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. 2. Quit smoking. If you're a smoker, this one's for you. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your HDL levels. Plus, it's not just your cholesterol that benefits. Your entire body will thank you. You'll breathe easier, have more energy, and reduce your risk of countless diseases. 3. Lose weight. Obesity and high cholesterol are a dangerous duo. If you're carrying extra weight, especially around your midsection, you're at a higher risk for high cholesterol and heart disease. The good news is that even losing a small amount of weight can make a big difference. Start with small, manageable changes to your diet and exercise routine and build from there. Next, let's look at some dietary changes you can make to lower your cholesterol. 1. Eat more monounsaturated fats. Not all fats are bad. Monounsaturated fats, which you can find in foods like olive oil, nuts, and avocados, actually help lower your LDL cholesterol while raising your HDL. 2. Cut back on alcohol. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. While a little bit of alcohol can raise your HDL levels, drinking too much can have the opposite effect and raise your LDL levels. If you drink, try to keep it to 1 or 2 glasses at most. And if you don't drink, there's no need to start. 3. Add omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are another healthy fat that can help lower your cholesterol. You'll find them in fatty fish like salmon, herring, and tuna, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts. Studies show that eating more omega-3s can reduce your LDL levels and improve your overall heart health. 4. Load up on fiber. It helps your body get rid of excess LDL, which reduces your overall cholesterol levels. You'll find fiber in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. And here's a tip: the more colorful your plate, the more fiber you're likely getting. 5. Try foods fortified with plant sterols and stanols. Plant sterols and stanols are natural compounds that help block your body from absorbing cholesterol. You can find them in foods like fortified margarine, orange juice, and yogurt. Adding these to your diet can help lower your LDL levels even more. 6. Treat yourself, but only occasionally. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods to lower your cholesterol. In fact, allowing yourself the occasional treat can help you stick to your healthy eating plan in the long run. Just remember to enjoy these treats in moderation. There you have it. With a few simple lifestyle and dietary changes, you can keep your cholesterol levels in check and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Stay well, and remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.